Elon Musk, and here we look at the chart of Tesla. As you can see, I'm in hell. No, not in hell. This is the sun in Japan, countryside. The backside is the garden room, and you can see that it is very mabushi. Very lot of light is there, and I'm a little bit dark because there is too much light outside instead of inside. So let's look at the chart. I expected it would be ranging around 200, and as you can see, it is ranging around 200. So with a minimum of this and a maximum of this, so I think this would be the max. This will be the minus, I think. If you look at the development of the cloud, it's going up. Sometimes you can do the trick. What I sometimes do is it can be that the minus will be the bottom of this. So you could say that it is maybe a little bit lower. This from here to here. And we can, on the down way, we can maybe ignore the pivot points. But the up way is, we definitely have to look at the pivot points. And this is a very important pivot point, and this is a very important pivot point. The big question will be, if we have the investor day in 2 weeks or 1.5 weeks, does this just a jump to this point or to this point? If I have to look really what will happen, so this point, if it has to jump here, it has to go up. It is $200, is $20, is $80, is 40%. Is that correct? Is it 40%? 10% is, oh wait a minute, 40%, around 40%. So it has to go up 40% from almost from 200 to 300. I think that's too much, but it can go to 140. So I expect when we see the release and it is all positive, I think it will end up somewhere between, I think $250, $250. I think that's a nice amount. I think it will go up. So if we would think what's going to happen, I would expect a little bit more down, a little bit more up, and then we will see the spike. I think we will see a spike with a jump in the like here. We will see a window, and it will jump up a window, and it will reach around maybe 250, 260. So this is a little bit too high. So around, I think we will see something like this, and it will be a window from 10% or something, and I think we will see something like maybe we'll see something like this. So it'll go a little bit down, then people go out of position, and then they'll go up. So this is what you can probably expect. I don't think it will go all the way down. It is possible that it will go to this point, but that would mean that it has to be very strange news, that something must really happen. So we just, for the moment, assume nothing happens, and we just look technical and mathematically. We see here a bottom. That will be this is a little bit lower, so there is a little bit an uptrend here. Maybe it goes one time more down, but then if it hits, it goes to this point, and it is around the 230, and I think then it will jump up to with a window. So this is for the moment 230, 220 will be the max before any news this good news comes. And if the news comes, I think we will see a jump from 10 to maybe 15% to 250, 200, maybe $260. So everything looks good. If you look here to this moving average, is flat, means range. This is going up. This one is good. There's a distance. This is a little bit down, so this means down. This is also the range. So here we have 3 ranges. This is also indicating range, and it's in the cloud, so it's also ranging. So everything seems, if you look at the Ichimoku, that it will range around $200. What does the pivot point say? These are the pivot points. I think this one you can forget. So I think you have to focus on these 2 pivot points. This pivot point will mean range, and this will be the max spike up, and this will be if it really goes crazy, then you will go to around $280. But that will be next month, not this month. So this month it will be the max will be around $230, $220, but it probably will be waiting around $200, and maybe the low will be $180 or something, and the max will be 220. So that is for investors. So investors, I say still keep on buying. It's now a little bit low, so it is maybe it will go lower. So you can still buy a little bit by a little bit. But if it really spikes down to here or something, then it is a good buy moment. So then I would advise more to buy. Not advise you. Mathematically, we talk. Then the chances that it will be a climb up is very big. Especially we have here a nice window. So this will be around 180. So I said if it is around 180, that will be a good sashine, a good automatically buy if you would trade, but I don't advise to trade. And for day traders, again, it is already a good idea to only do buy orders. Sell orders, it will go down, of course, every stock goes down during the day or during trading, but the upward risk is much bigger. You see here also the Yoji here, and that means that there's also a very strong power upwards. Here it also ignored it, and here it also ignored the Yoji. So the Yoji here is a sign of a strong uptrend. People think that this is a reversal point, that it will go after this it will go down. It goes down, but if it is in a correct correction, then it means up, stronger up even. So that is in this case the case. So, but I think we will see a flat movement and then a spike after the community day, the investors day. So that's my advice. Do what you want with it, but this is not trading advice. This is just mathematically. See you.